I'm from group 12
and we'll be showing a short video
on the theme of counselor and client.
I'm Rizka as client on my left side,
I'm Devinta as a counselor.
on my right side.
I'm Vanessa as a assistant counselor.
Welcome
To watch
our
video. Next.
Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. Is there anything I can help you?
I want to have a consultation with Miss Devinta. I already informed you yesterday.
Oh, you are the one who informed me yesterday. Okay. Miss Underwood's name is it? And where did it come from?
My name is Rizka and I come from Bandar Lampung.
Okay, Miss Rizka, I'll note down her identitas. Okay, please wait a moment. I'll tell you, Miss Devinta, and tell you convey your complaint in a special room.
Okay, Miss.
Please sit down.
Thank you, Miss.
How were there any problems on the way here?
Yes, Miss. Sorry about that because I stopped at the gas station first and the ferry happened to be quite long. However, the road I was on was a bit congested, Miss.
It's true that the road to get here at this hour is often jammed.
Yes, Miss. Especially the intersection in front of here, Miss.
Interaction is busy, so you have to be more careful. Have you eaten before or not?
Oh, yes, Miss. Before I come here, I took time to eat first.
Thanks, miss. Then who are you with?
I come here alone, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. Before that, I come here to tell you about many things that I have experienced, Miss. I hope you are able to protect my privacy.
Okay. That's why privacy in mental safely here because it's my job to protect my client privacy.
Yes, Miss. Previously, I had several problems that might have made me want to give up, Miss. One of which was an approach to my family that might not to be going well, Miss.
Okay, can you tell me what you are feeling now?
Previously, I had two siblings and had an older brother, and I was the youngest daughter. I feel something, namely, I feel like I was never loved and treated fairly by my parents. I often feel pressure in the family. My parents often fight, especially my father, who has a cold nature toward his family.
Okay, let me clarify. So you feel pressure within yourself and you feel like your parents are not paying enough attention.
That's right, Miss. What's more, my parents have quite a large debt with the bank, which has made my family's economy even worse. Once, when I want to ask for money to go to school, my parents refused by speaking in a slightly cartoon, Miss. I don't have any money. Even though my parents always had money for anything, like giving money to my older brother, don't ask for money. It's hard for me to pay for school, especially when I just buy clothes for the holidays. I get a small share, while my brother was given more money before my very eyes. So I always feel injustice toward myself.
Okay. Beforehand, were there any step you made that result in your mother helping you? in such a way that perhaps your mother or other family members could not forgive your mistake.
In that case, I'm not sure I made a mistake because I always helped my mother with housework. My parents had to own a shop and rarely to go to shop just to help serve customers. I only helped my mother to do the housework business.
So there is annoyance and is
Okay, miss. Maybe in the future I will help my mother regarding the shop.
yes, that will be better.
Apart from that, miss, I once had a big fight with my brother. At the time, I was still in junior high school. The problem was that my brother sold my camera separately, so this made me angry. My brother didn't accept it had, and then he tried to kill me. Me, I'm someone who can be safe, to not be afraid of things like this, miss. So that makes me challenge my sister even more.
I won't be a good idea if you discuss this matter deal with your sister because the problem will not be solved that way. Maybe there is a reason why your sister sold the camera. Please tell me honestly about what really happened to you and your family.
Look, miss, actually I was able to buy the camera because I took my mother's money at an ATM. Then I got caught because there was a notification in my name on my mother's cell phone. Maybe that's why my brother intends, intends to send the camera. My brother feels jealous or just wants to steal my camera.
Well, it sounds like you have to understand that you have to become a better person, especially to face your older brother who can decide to be present to us because he sold your camera. On the other hand, the mother figure is actually very important for the family, especially for his children. Why is that? Because the mother figure must be the main educator for his children.
Yes, miss. Things like this make me a little aggressive towards my current partner, miss. I get angry easily. My partner says a word wrong, or I have a weak mentality, so this makes me a little sensitive. Moreover, one time my partner felt that I was just threatening him to commit suicide. But at that time, I proved that I never mess around with that miss. So I tried taking 810 paracetamol pills right then and there miss also tried to hang myself, but I was stuck when my cousin came to my room at that time miss.
It's a good idea if you try to understand your mother and other family members. You can also control your thoughts regarding the treatment of your family by starting to think about positive things. For example, by thinking of planning things that can make you happy and definitely positive for you. You can also keep yourself busy by exercising, or you can also look for other positive activities like that. It won't it won't be better if you make yourself happy by doing positive things rather than doing things that will harm you and your body.
Yes, miss, I will try to change my mindset for the future. Apart from that, I also feel very tiring when I feel pressure and always feel lonely. Someone never understands my situation and always considers my worthless in their life.
If you feel that no one can understand what you are feeling, you can consult a psychologist like you are doing now. This is a good action and hopefully what you are telling us today can be resolved and resolved soon. Apart from that, you solve nothing that you are worthless, you are valueless, you to yourself, you are great because you can get to this point. Start appreciating yourself so that the feeling of worthlessness disappears so slowly.
Apart from that, Miss, I felt several things that made me more depressed, Miss, such as seeing my partner leaving to go out with his friends. I feel like I had the urge to say, why are you leaving? I'm lonely. It's really nice to you to be happy with your friends while I'm lonely and I don't have any friends. I feel jealous my partner wife, which is more powerful, inversely proportional to my life. So I feel that if I'm sad, my partner always has to accompany me, means
Maybe right now, you just feel lonely because some people in your house always think you are critical about things you make feel. You have a lesson to be hurtful for good instead. You are ignored by your family, so for that you get what called this side to be little attention from him that make you feel that he is everything to you, so you treat him like he is completely yours.
that's right, miss. I felt he was mine too. I made it seem like he could go anywhere with my permission.
Since, as I explained it to you, you can consider him as yours, but here you also have trauma from the relationship, so I will be better you not to repeat what might be a trauma in someone else like your partner.
Yes, miss, but it has become something that I probably can explain. For example, I like to exag- exaggerate my problems.
You may be able to report your emotion. For example, when you feel that your emotion will explode at that moment, you can report them by lying on the bed, putting away your care phone, and closing your eyes for a few minutes until you can feel your emotion subside so that you can some of your problems or emotional trials have subsidies.
Yes, miss, thank you. Other I will try some tips that I might be able to use to divert some of my problems and emotional naturalness.
Yes, is you can for sometime you might be facing such as your current family problems. Maybe you can solve them by telling your parents in a quiet time.
How is that, miss?
When your parents ask you to sit down together and then tell you about their complaints, you can also tell your parents the opposite so that they can feel the emotion that are inside you at that time.
Okay, miss, but every time he tells me about his complaints, it seems like he is having economic problems, and this makes me feel guilty as his child who is only able to ask my parents for money, miss.
You may be able to apologize while you share your complaint with your mother, saying that you currently feel the someone. With this, your mother will understand that is it is her right and obligation to fulfill your needs while you are not yet the property of the partner. Whether you are completely or married, you are still the responsibility of your parents.
Yes, miss, I can understand it. But he complained about the economy without realizing he never gave me the opportunity to complain again about my life problems, miss. So will parents be able to act as friends, miss? Just like my friend's mother did. She was able to protect her child, miss.
Sis, is it possible that our mother have different burdens and different shoulders to support them? Your mother can finish it, but only there is to lighten the burden on her mind. The same goes to for you when your mother tells you a story after that you can answer by telling the story back to your mother. That's when you have to wait for the right time for that.
I also often feel a little annoyed so that when my parents ask questions, I feel like I answer in a slightly cartoonish.
That's the reason. You have a good grandson family that you've been holding on to all this time. Sis, you might be able to do this by forgiving everyone who hurt you and then you can start over from zero with your current family.
So, what about the feelings that have been keeping me so I just ignore it?
So, so do you have to take preference of your family now?
How do you miss?
One in one it and in fine if you try to do those things to your family later.
That's right, miss, but
You won't get happiness from talking events. I'm sorry. This will just be a misfortune.
that's right, miss. Then what should I do to forget the God, miss?
You might be able to take up activities that might help forget the problems you are facing. If you have positive activities, maybe this will be able to bring you out the negative experiences.
That's right, miss. So far, I have never exercised or maintained a healthy diet.
Well, apart from that, maybe you can understand yourself, love yourself more, don't ever feel that you are going through is an obstacle that might hinder your future paths.
Yes, miss, I always feel lonely about that.
Yes, sis, I understand. You also have to love yourself more by appreciating the small things like holidays with friends, your partner, and the ones you have now able to realize the small happiness.
Yes, miss, but I rarely realize this.
Yes, sis, you have to quickly realize the more you try to hurt other people, the more it is not them who will get hurt, but you you yourself will get hurt more.
That's right, miss.
In the past, it may have been painful, sis, but can you realize it, that what you have today means something in your life today?
I always realize that, miss. Thank you, miss, for reminding me about that.
You made it to people who really love you, sis. Do never feel alone. Your friends and partner might feel that you are not important person to them.
I regret what I meant and said yesterday, Miss.
Never regret it, sis. You are what you today. The will still love you, sis.
Thank you, Miss, for being able to reveal what I never took you before.
Okay, sis, keep fighting in your future life. Never feel lonely.
Yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome.